Oh, hello. Mr. Bowman here. We're missing you loads, so I've written you a story, which I hope you enjoy. And if you look really closely, you might see some people you recognise. See you soon.
The Three Little Birds. One morning in spring, a hush was around. Our school had grown quiet, but there on the ground and the wall at the front we found words etched in chalk that spoke about beauty and light in the dark, of hope, joy and love, and they shone in the sun, and we read them and smiled, a new chapter begun. The next day I returned and went to the wall, but the words had all vanished, and there on the floor, with a colourful chirp, were three little birds, with feathers as bright as the chalk-written words. And then as I looked, the birds, one by one, flew into the sky, and in seconds had gone. I waited for days for the birds to return. I tried hard to read, to think, and to learn, but I never stopped wondering where they had flown. And then one sunny morning, the first bird came home. And she sang about adults with stories to tell, looking after their loved ones and learning as well. And she told me they missed every child that they taught, and although not in class, they were still in their thoughts. And she sang about smiles and waves to pass on, and a promise this distance would one day be gone. Then as her song ended, from out of the blue, with a colourful flash the second bird flew, and his song told of children, each playing their part, staying in, being kind, showing courage and heart, learning new skills and trying new things, embracing each day and all that it brings, using technology, being stronger together, so our family is stretched, but as connected as ever. And then, as the bird's song came to an end, I looked up to the sky. But where is your friend? The third bird is gone, the other two cried. So sadly I turned and drifted inside. There I saw the flash of a familiar wing. The third bird was waiting and started to sing. The words that she sang made a beautiful sound. So I followed her flight and she led me around, from classroom to classroom, playground to hall. And I realized the school wasn't empty at all. The coats on the pegs, the names on the drawers, the artwork and writing displayed on the walls, the half-finished models, the footprints of you, were all still around. And that's when I knew that walls are like sponges. They soak up the laughter and stories and joy and store them till after we come back together and the next chapter starts. But until that time, hold them close in your hearts and know that in each of you, every day, your courage and creativity are lighting the way. And then, in a blink, with no time to explain, the three little birds became chalk words again. But their song and their hope and their colour remain.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright.
Susie? Every little thing's going to be all right.